Hello, I'm Randy Smith, coal miner, delegate, and candidate for the 14th Senatorial District of West Virginia. I wanted to take a moment before I head into the 2016 West Virginia legislative session to explain why I have decided to run for the state Senate. I feel the counties and the parts of counties which make up the 14th Senatorial District deserve to have a representative that reflects their values. As an elected official, we are to be engaged with our constituents every single day, and not just an election year. I am a firm believer in meeting with those I represent so that I can fully understand the will of the district. I believe that my background in industry, small business, and agriculture allows me to truly understand the challenges each and every one of you face. As a coal miner, I understand the issues facing hard-working people trying to do a job to provide for their families, many living from paycheck to paycheck. As a small business owner, I understand the challenges faced while you're working to make ends meet and just need government to get out of your way to let you be successful. I began my career working at a poultry processing plant and was honored to serve 2 years as president of the FFA. I lived on my father-in-law's beef and produce farm, which allowed me to understand firsthand the issues that face our agriculture community. And I'm not bound by party lines to fight the issues that lie ahead. From the waters of the U.S. regulation to improving the business climate, you need someone who will fight for the rights of the district. In order for West Virginia to prosper, especially in the 14th District, we have to improve our broadband communications. I have fought hard against members of both parties to bring accountability to the monopoly that Frontier Communications has in our state and will not stop until we succeed. We are unable to attract businesses and increase tourism as we are able to communicate with those outside our state border. High-speed internet is a must, and unfortunately, Frontier is content leaving our great state behind virtually every other state because of our limited options. I hope to get to meet most of you in the coming months and know that my line is always open. Please visit my website at www.randyesmith.com to find all my contact information. Thanks, and God bless you.